How to log in to NBT Bank online banking, a step-by-step guide. Begin by opening your preferred and secure web browser on your computer. Navigate to a trusted search engine such as Google. In the search bar, type NBT Bank and press Enter. From the search results, carefully click on the verified and official link to the NBT Bank website. Once the homepage loads, locate and click on the Login option. Scroll down and select NBT Digital Banking, then click on Login Now. On the login page, enter your user ID in the appropriate field. Then, input your password in the designated password section. You may click on the eye icon to either view or conceal your password for accuracy and convenience. To simplify future access, you may tick the Remember My User ID checkbox. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password to initiate recovery. To recover your username, click on Forgot User ID. If you are a new user, select Register to enroll in NBT online banking services. Finally, click on the Login button to securely access your online banking account.